Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to hard reset Ikea dishwasher. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now you might be wondering, how do you hard reset your Ikea dishwasher here? Well, it's pretty simple. There's a few things you need to do here. So first is you need to basically look for the reset button. So the reset button is usually near the power button, but you could also view this or access this on the door itself. So just to give you an idea, this is actually a picture of a dishwasher from IKEA. So typically at the bottom left, you should see a reset indicator on it. So in this case, you might want to hold and press on it for 3 seconds. Now, some dishwasher might require you to hold this for 4 seconds. Again, depending on the style, or in this case, the model that you have. In this case, just follow the how many seconds that you need to hold it for you to reset it. But yeah, so in this case, you just want to press and hold on it and wait for it to reset, and that would initiate or reset the dishwasher. Now, if you want to do a hard reset here, so if the first one doesn't work, then you can do a hard reset. So first, either unplug the dishwasher from the power outlet or turn off the circuit breaker that supplies the power to it. Now from then on, leave it unplugged or the circuit breaker off for about 15 minutes. So this is really important. So this waiting period helps you ensure a complete reset. So it actually drains the whole power away from the dishwasher itself, which in this case will reset it. Now after 15 minutes, plug the dishwasher back on or in, do the circuit breaker, and from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for